Into Assets proudly offers this 215-hectare farm, which is ideally located along the Umgani River at the mouth of Albert Falls Dam. The farm goes under the hammer on the 20th of July 2022 and offers prospective buyers an exciting opportunity to either continue with existing operations or to develop the farm for pecan nuts, macadamia nuts and avocados, which are all well suited to the area's climate. The farm, known as the remainder of portion 27 of the farm Shooters Hill, number 908, is currently comprised of 127 hectares of sugarcane, 38 hectares of dryland maize, and the remaining 50 hectares of grazing, dams and flays, and yard space. Notably, there is permitted water use of 226,041 cubic meters per year out of the Umgani River. Improvements on the property include a well-maintained farmhouse with incredible views of Albert Falls Dam, a workshop, sheds, staff accommodation, and a large yard with ample turning space for trucks. The improvements on the property are secured by an electric fence. We look forward to your attendance at the auction on the 20th of July 2022 at the Mount Edgecombe Country Club. Online bidding facilities are available for those who cannot attend the auction in person. For more information about this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact Alan on 082 445 5048.